Welcome back to PYP Writing, Animal Life Cycles Part 2. Your target today says, I can define the life stages of a salmon. If you're wondering, a salmon is a fish. I can do this by completing a diagram that represents the different stages of a salmon's life cycle. So, what you're going to do is you are going to watch the video, read along with me, answer a question. Watch the video, read along with me, answer a question. Watch the video, read along with me, answer a question. Watch the video, read along with me, answer a question. You're not done yet. Once you've done all of the videos and all of the questions, you're going to find your assignment, either here for turtles or here for rabbits. I'll be a turtle today. You're going to find your assignment in Google Classroom because it is another set of slides. So this is what your assignment looks like. There's another video on this assignment explaining exactly what to do, but I'll just kind of go over it again. Here's your video. You are going to listen to me read both of these articles, both of these stories, both of these texts. If you would like to read them on your own, you may, but you're definitely going to want to watch the video to see what to do on this page, and this page. In the video, I've already done a few for you. But really, all you have to do is you're defining or finding the definition to each of the words. So all of these boxes are over here, and your job is to make sure that there's that cross, and then you drag it over. At any point, if you're like, oh, I didn't mean to do that, you can come right here and click the undo button, and it brings it right back. On this page, this is where you are going to complete the life cycle diagram. Here are all the arrows you will need, and here are the labels. Oh, I'm so sorry, excuse me. So you're going to place the arrows where you think they need to be, what arrow goes where. Make sure you have that cross looking like that. Oh, I'm so sorry, excuse me again. And then place the arrow where it needs to go. It wouldn't make sense if the arrow was going this way, saying that it's this first, then that. So make sure you pay close attention to those arrows. After you place your arrows, then you're going to place the labels. There's that. This assignment, this part of the assignment is a bonus. That means you do not have to do it. If you were having so much fun on these two and you would like to do this, totally, I think you should. You do not have to. This is bonus, bonus, bonus. That's why it says bonus, because you don't have to do it. Yes, you have to do this. Yes, you have to do this. No, you don't have to do this. If you choose to do this, you are going to come up with questions from this nonfiction text. The directions say, oh no, it's time for the salmon life cycle quiz and your teacher forgot it at home. Oh, Mrs. Thomas. You have been asked to write a new quiz that will help to test your classmates' knowledge. Write 5 good questions about the life cycle of a salmon. Don't forget to add the answers as well. So this is my example. Where do salmon lay their eggs? Here's my question. Here's my answer in reverse. Okay, if you want to do this, great. If you want to just do one, that's fine. If you want to do all 5, great. Okay, once you have finished this, make sure you turn it in. The turn in button is here as well. If you have any questions, feel free to put it on Google Classroom, email me, whatever you need. Good luck.